Topic is pressure exerted by liquid. So we have done with solid, that is pressure is equal to thrust upon area. Then we have done in liquid dgh or rho gh. Now the pressure exerted by the gases. So we know we are being surrounded by the gases, that is known as atmosphere, and that pressure created by that atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. So the gases around us create some pressure over us, so that is known as atmospheric pressure. And we can measure that pressure with the help of instrument that is known as manometer. So manometer is like an instrument like which is U in shape, and mercury is been filled in it. So it is U tube. It's like a U shaped tubes that having a mercury and having a scale. The number is being written over it, 10, 20, 30, 40. Every number is written over it. And one end of the tube is open. One end they have kept it open so that you can connect anything to it, and one another end is being closed so that the mercury do not go spill it outside. So generally the both level in the mercury is in equal. If they are equal means the pressure is balanced, and if we want to find out the difference in balance, then you have to connect the other end to something, anything with whom you have to create, you have to find out the pressure. You will get to know how much the difference in there is. Like this is 80, then in 60, so 80 minus 60 means 20 is the pressure. Right now atmospheric pressure will be 20 because the difference is 20, that is the atmospheric pressure. So our earth is surrounded by a layer of air that is known as atmosphere, and the pressure created by atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressures has some values, you have to learn them. One atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. You have to remember it like one atmospheric pressure 1 atm is equal to 1.013 10 raised to power 5 Pascal, or 1 atm is equal to 760 mm of mercury. Mm means millimeter. Millimeter means 10 raised to power minus 3. 1 milli is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Milli means 1 upon minus है ना, that's why it is in denominator. 10 raised to power minus 3 means 1 upon 3 zeros meter. So that is 1 upon 1000 meter. So that is 760 mm of mercury. If I talk second 760, so 760 divided by 4 zeros. 0 with go with 0. And then you have 2, so it will come out to be 0.76. Even either you write 760 mm or you write 760 into 10 raised to power 3, or you can write as 0.73 meter. Anything you can write. 760 is also correct, mm. 760 10 raised to power minus 3 meter is also correct, or 0.76 meter is also correct of mercury column. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.013 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 mm of mercury column, means mercury is being inside that instrument, and 1 torque is equal to 0.0132 atmosphere. All the three you have to remember it. That is the value of atmospheric pressure. Then they have done the activity to show that air exert pressure. Of course the air exert pressures, they are saying take a glass and the cardboard and the water. You have to fill the glass with water. Fill the glass with water and put a cardboard over it. Now press that. Now you have to press this cardboard over one hand of the top. Try to press over it. Then while you are pressing it, invert it. Flip it up. You flip it up and remove your hand. Now when you remove your hand, this cardboard will be stuck with the water. How it is stuck with the water? Because water has some pressure. So that's why it is creating some pressure over it. Now atmosphere is having some pressure. It is also creating some pressure. So both the pressure is balancing out. That's why the cardboard do not come out. It will be stuck with the water. So people generally show this as a magic, like how that cardboard can stick to the water. This is all because of difference in the pressure. Difference of the pressure of water and air. They create some suction over it. That's why it is being stuck. Like, have you seen in your home, you must having a teddy bear, small teddy bears which you can stuck with the walls. It have some suction, like transparent is there, it is like this transparent, and it is having a teddy bear wings on with it. So you can stick this transparent sheet with the wall. How you can stick it? Because the moment you stick this with the wall, it will create some suction, some atmospheric pressure. With that atmospheric pressure, this transparent sheet will be stick with the wall and it will not come out. But after some time it is removed. थोड़ी देर बाद वो गिर जाता है. Why? And next last activity they have showing force due to atmospheric pressure. You have take a tin which is having a thin walls, very thin walls they have, and airtight container, like it is being sealed it up. Then water you have to take, burner, bucket having a cold water, bottle filled with cold water, wire guag, and stand. This is wire guag and this is a stand. Over it is being kept. So you have to keep the water in a jar like this. This might be a thin tin. Inside the tin you have kept the water and sealed it up, and you are start burning this water. Now fill some water in the can, heat the can till water burns up. You have to heat this can and it will start burning. The water start boiling it up. Then you have to replace the lid and remove the can from the burner. Now the lid with which you have sealed it up, you have to change that you change it with the airtight lid, and you have to remove that can from the burner. Now the water is boiled up, you remove it from here. Place that can in a bucket and pour cold water in that hot water. You have to put it in the bucket and start pouring a cold water in it. Now inside the water it is hot, outside it is cold, so there is difference in the pressure. Now result, place the can in bucket and pour cold water. The can collapses. Can squeeze it up. This is observed that air inside it is having a hot water, that is a steam inside it. It is having some pressure of the hot water. When cold water is poured, the steam condense into water. That hot water will convert it into steam, that convert into water and leave some vacuum in the gas. There will be some vacuum, air will be sucked up. So that air pressure from outside is more than the inside. Now the pressure outside is more, inside is less. That's why the can collapses. Whenever there is a difference in the pressure, the can collapses. This is how happens when you pour some in your jar, in your cold glass of the glass which is made up of mirror, शीशे का गिलास जो होता है उसमें when you pour a hot tea, very hot tea, it will crack it up. Why it crack it up? Because inside it is a cold, outside now putting a hot. You are putting a hot tea in it. This difference in the pressure created into a breakup. It will break. The glass will break up. Same. Another reason is nose bleeding. Nose bleeding is that whenever you go high, I told you whenever you go down, the pressure increases. You go up altitude. At the great height, your pressure decreases. Remember it. As you go down inside the sea, the pressure increases. When you go at the height, some height, the pressure decreases. Whenever you go at high, like hills, hilly areas, mountain areas, you have seen many people having a nose bleeding. Why there is a nose bleeding? Because when you go high, the pressure is very less, but inside your blood, you have blood pressure. That blood pressure is very high. As you go up, your blood pressure difference in your pressure. Atmospheric pressure is less, your blood pressure must be more. That difference in the blood pressure and your atmospheric pressure created a burst of your vein or your artery, and the bloods come out. So at the high altitude, when the pressure is low, the pressure inside the body does not change. The excessive pressure inside the body causes a nose bleeding, because inside the body we have blood pressure. So difference in blood pressure and atmospheric cause a difference in the blood pressure and the atmospheric pressure cause a nose bleeding. So this difference causes a nose bleeding. Same reason is for sucking of a drink. With the straw you suck a drink. Whenever you suck air from the straw, that air goes inside the lungs and there is a pressure created. So now there is a pressure inside your body and there is atmospheric pressure on the liquid. So that difference in the pressure of air and the liquid cause the suction of the drink. Same water pump draw a water from the well due to atmospheric pressure. As the water creates some pressure and now you are pumping it, you are creating a air pressure inside it. That difference in water pressure and air pressure cause the water to come out. Same reason for filling up the ink, filling up your, in the Holi you fill up your water cans, right? The doctors fill up their syringes. Same, because the atmospheric pressure caused the water to come out, and there is a filling of the fountain pen, there is a filling up your syringes, all because of difference in the atmospheric pressure. The liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure, they are different. That's why that create the water to move upward against the gravity. Same, blowing up the air, you fill up the balloon with your air pressure. With air pressure, the balloon got fill up. Same, the suits at the astronaut, as they go upside at the high altitude in the space, they wear a particular suit so that they do not get fainted up in their blood pressure do not create them that whole body blood will come out and they will die. That's why they wear this particular suits, so that they do not die up. They wear to protect themselves from low pressure. Same goes for lizards. Lizards can walk on the wall, even over the ceiling also. It do not fall down. Why? Because their hands, they have a suction created by air pressure. That's why they got stick with the ceiling and do not fall down. Rubber stickers that are being used to hold up the wardrobes, like on the wall you stick that sticks with that wardrobes. Hooks you can use to hang your towel, to hang your clothes. That is also sticky ones. In foreign they are very common. In India we don't use them, but in foreign they use the sticky ones. Just stick with the wall, it will not come out. That is all due to air pressure, because the pressure creates some suction over it, rubber suction. That's why that will not come down. Taking out the coconut juice, so it's again same reason. The way how you take out the water from water tank, how you took the syringes, the same reason. Difference in the pressure. Then you have some numericals. Raman open a 1 meter wide window. 1 meter means distance. At the minimum force, it is force. So distance is written, force is also there. They are telling for calculate the moment of force. So moment of force is equal to force into distance, 2 into 1, 2 Newton meter. Then a brick weight 100 Newton and base area meter squared. So 100 Newton means it is force. 1 meter square means area. So force is also there, area is also there. They are telling take out your pressure. So pressure is equal to force upon area, 100 upon 100 Pascal. Then find the moment of force of 3 Newton. 3 Newton means it is force applied on a stone of distance. This is distance 10 centimeter. So you have to convert into a meter. SI unit you have to convert it. So 10 centimeter को मीटर में convert करोगे, you have to divide with 100. So 10 divided by 100 means 1 by 10 means 0.1 meter. So distance come out to be 0.1 meter. So force is 3, distance is 0.1. So 3 into 0.1, 0.3 Newton meter. And this numerical is different in every books. In some book they have written 20 centimeter. In some books they have written 10 centimeter. So reason is the same one. Formula, numerical, everything is correct, same. With 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter the value will be changing, because the spanner open a bolt by applying a force of 100 newtons. Means force is given and the length of the spanner is 10 centimeter. कहते हैं एक स्पैनर ने खोलना है, having a force this much and the length of spanner is 10 centimeter. Now it has reduced the force. मतलब एक कंडीशन यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है. Then the second situation start from here to here. So first हम first condition में देखेंगे. First condition में हमें force भी दिया है and length is also given. So we can calculate the moment of force. Force is 100, length is 10 centimeter. Here I have converted means 0.1. So 0.1 meter means 10 Newton meter. जिनके 20 लिखा है तो it will be 20 upon 100. 2 will go with 2. It means 0.2 meter. So who's having 10-20 centimeter will come out to be 0.2. So 100 multiplied by 0.2 it comes out to be 20 Newton meter. In my book it is 10 centimeter, that's why it is 10 Newton meter. Whoever there is 20, you can write 0.2 means 20 Newton meter. Now what condition is done? Now they are saying we have to reduce the force. Now your force will reduce to 50. They are saying what will be the length. Now I have moment of force. Moment of force is equal to 10 is equal to force is equal to 50 into distance. Now I don't know what is distance, so I can take out distance. Here it is multiply, वहाँ जाके divide हो जाएगा. 10 divided by 50. 10 divided by 50 will be 0.2 मीटर. और जिनके 20 है तो it will be 20 is equal to 50 into d. 20 upon 50 is equal to d. It will come out to be 0.4 मीटर. So जिनके 20 है उनके 0.4. My is 10, that's why 10 divided by 50 it will be 0.2 meter. Then the moment of force, again moment of force is given. Moment of force with here 20 Newton. Newton means force is given. Having a 20 Newton meter. अब हमें moment of force पहले दे दी है. Find the distance. You have to calculate the distance. Distance निकालने का formula क्या है? Moment of force divided by force. So moment of force divided by force, 20 divided by 20, it come out to be 1 meter. With this, your chapter is finished.